Why does your homeowner's insurance cost so much? Hey, this is Brandon Oz from Guaranteed Rate Insurance. Wanted to share with you where the costs come from for your homeowner's insurance. The first place you'll see that drives cost up for your home is pretty obvious when you think about it. It's the amount of money it would cost to replace your home if you ever had to rebuild it. That's where the costs come from for the majority of your homeowner's policy. Now, if you have a $100,000 home, it's going to cost $100,000 to replace, right? And if it's going to cost you $500,000 to replace your house, typically you would think it would cost 5 times as much to take care of the rebuild process, and the insurance would go up the same way. Although that's not always the case, the price that it would take to rebuild your home is a driving factor. So when you buy a house that's more expensive, typically the insurance will go up. However, there are other things that will make your insurance process different. For example, newer homes often cost less to insure than older homes. The reason for that is because there are upgraded home systems. There are things that are in your house that allow you a safer environment. The wiring is up to code. There's less of, hopefully there are less opportunities for things like fires, or if you have a roof, the roof is newer, so there's less likelihood that it's going to be damaged in a windstorm. So the age of your home has a lot to do with the amount or cost of insurance. The third thing is location. Location matters a lot because where you live may determine how frequently you make claims. If you live in Florida or on the coast of the eastern, coastline of America, you're going to pay more for insurance because you're more likely to get hit with hurricanes every year. Hurricanes are a large and massive cost to insurance companies because they create so much damage. Now, if you were to live inland and you live in a place where there is less windstorms, perhaps less claims that take place, your cost will go down. That doesn't mean you shouldn't live on the coast if that's where you want to live, but you need to understand that if you live in a place that has more likelihood of claims, that will increase the cost of your insurance. Now, finally, some of the other things that will increase the cost of your insurance are liability claims. So if you have a pool, that will increase your insurance. If you have a trampoline, that will increase your insurance. If you have claims in the past, that will increase your insurance. So if you have had 2 or 3 claims that have happened over the past 3 years, insurance companies see a trend, and they will rate your policy on the trend of you making claims. Now, that doesn't mean you shouldn't make a claim, but what it does mean is that if you have frequent claims, it will be more expensive to buy insurance. Hopefully these have been helpful tips on how insurance prices are made and sort of developed out. And if you have questions about how insurance works, I would encourage you to click the link below that will share with you more videos on how to insure your home properly and how insurance works. Once again, I'm Brandon Oz from Guaranteed Rate, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.